Okay. So, is there anything in my hair? Okay, sorry guys. Had a little incident right now. I accidentally went like this, and there's some on my fingers, but I don't think none got in my hair. Okay. So, right here, I got my slime that I just made. It's still a little bit sticky. It's on my hands. And comment down below in 5, 4, 3. No, wait. What am I doing? What do you think this slime is? Aqua, blue, yellow, or green? Aqua is like blue, like a real light green that's very oceany. You know what green, blue, and yellow is. So comment down, guess in the comments, comment down below in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're done. Did you do it? And if you got aqua, you were right. See, it's like, it looks blue, but then it's like a minty color. It's like mint, you know? So, I told you, it's kind of sticky. I still got to activate it a little more and knead it more, but here's my slime. And okay, so this video is about, as you can tell, my title up there, biggest pet peeves of slime, you know, just slime. So, let's get on with the video, yo. Yeah, okay, so, my biggest pet peeve is when they go like this and poke it like that, and sometimes you can't hear it, like they poke it like this. I don't know why. This isn't how you're really supposed to poke it, but I just feel better. It feels weird. I don't like when they poke like that with hardly any sound. It just annoys me, especially with long acrylic nails. I need them to poke straight up with your tips like that, so you get this sound more better, not like that. And okay, oh yeah, another pet peeve is when this isn't a butter slime. It's like half butter slime, half not. But it's when they have butter slimes. I mean, when they don't have butter slimes, but they still do this. You know, I do that sometimes, but that's still one of my pet peeves, even though I do it. That's what annoys me. I do sometimes I do what I don't like, but I still do it. Like my pet peeves that I don't like, I still do it. But yeah, what's another pet peeve? Let's think, guys. Let's think. What do I not like? Can't remember. But one thing that I do love is when they get a spoon. I mean, they pour. Look. They pour a pile of glitter on it, and they get a spoon and they rub it all around. I love that sound. Dude, it's all over. Oh yeah, another pet peeve is I don't like when they what's it called? I can't remember what did I remember? Oh yeah, when there's glitter around the excess glitter around the table and they don't get it. I just hate that. Oh, another one is when there's slime here, or look, let's say there's they're messing with it, and then the slime gets on it like this, and they just act like it's not sticky, and they go along with the slime on their hands. I'm like, take that stuff off, bro. I get annoyed, and I'm like, could you just take it off during the video? And once again, I did that just now on my Instagram. You guys would see all the pet peeves that I hate, and I do them. But, you know, I just do it because a lot of people do it, but that's the thing that I hate. And it gets a lot of views when you do that, like different stuff. I should name the slime, green tea. Yes, green tea, because it has like, I don't know if you could see, but it has the glitter and the glitter looks black. But yeah, peace.